Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are back with a fabulous concept sketch. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4, A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSMC experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your study of human figure and anatomy, composition skills and balance. For today's artistry trivia, who is a renowned Indian concept artist and illustrator known for his work in comic books and video games. He has contributed to major projects like Marvel's Guardians of the Galaxy and Game of Thrones. Dynamic and intricate artwork has earned him international acclaim in the entertainment industry. Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Before we start, let's know about what is concept sketch. Concept sketching is a vital tool in the creative and design processes, serving as the foundational step where ideas take tangible form. This technique allows designers and innovators to quickly and efficiently translate abstract thoughts into visual representations, enabling clearer communication and better understanding of initial ideas. Concept sketches are instrumental in brainstorming sessions as they foster collaboration and facilitate feedback, helping to refine and improve concepts early on. Additionally, they provide a low-cost, flexible way to explore multiple design options before committing to more detailed and resource-intensive phases of development. Options build and complex ideas into basic visual elements. Concept sketching accelerates problem-solving and innovation, making it an indispensable practice in various fields, from product design to architecture. Before starting, we have another video to know more about concept sketch. Please check out the video Why Concept Sketch on our YouTube channel. Now that we know what a concept sketch is, let's get to drawing a fabulous concept sketch. Let's start with placing the head. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using cylinders. Remember to keep the balance of the sketch in check. Connected to the head, let's draw the torso. It is very important to understand the balance of the three major masses of the body. It helps in getting quicker at drawing. Next, draw the legs so with attention as they define the position our figure is taking. Make sure you draw the proportions correctly, as well as it will make your sketch look more harmonious. The right arm is stretched in air while the left one is over the head, so draw accordingly. Now erase the lines slightly. After that, let's get started on the details of the character, like the hair, and slowly define other details like costume and facial expression. This is a modern dance form, so draw the costume likewise. Now color the sketch. Once you are done with the outline, pause the video and take your time to color. Observe our drawing carefully to understand the human forms. The knowledge of the human forms help in coloring the light and shadow on the body. Now let's color the background around the character, which helps in framing the art piece better. And there we have it, a beautiful concept sketch. As you get better at these sketches, try and decrease the time you take to draw these poses, as time sketches improve your observation skills as to which line to draw and which can be omitted. It's okay if draw these poses as hours. Just keep on practicing, because practice makes perfect. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. Mukesh Singh is a renowned Indian concept artist and illustrator known for his work in comic books and video games. He has contributed to major projects like Marvel's Guardians of the Galaxy and Game of Thrones. Singh's dynamic and intricate artwork has earned him international artwork has earned industry. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the advanced playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Want to enhance your skills more? Then don't forget to check our website CSMC Training to get advanced training. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.